Let's get it ready to... I'm not going to do it. I really don't feel like getting sued by Michael Buffer right now. What's going on, guys? Tyler the Tech Geek here, back again. Now, anyone who's currently in the Apple ecosystem, you guys probably started out with, like most Apple users do, with an iPhone. Then you probably went ahead and added a pair of AirPods or some other pair of truly wireless headphones. And then somewhere along the way, you probably just said it and just added an Apple Watch to it just to be a little bit saucy with it. Now, the downside to carrying or having all these admittedly fantastic Apple add-ons that can create a bit of a mess when it comes to charging all three of these devices at one time, especially if you're trying to charge all three things at one time at night, having multiple chargers for multiple different things, all in a different orientation, which is something that Apple just loves to do. All of that can become a bit cumbersome and messy, especially if you're trying to put everything on a nightstand, and God forbid you lose your Apple Watch charger or leave your Apple Watch charger at home when you go on vacation, because buddy, you're out of luck. You're gonna have to shell out $20 more to get one from Best Buy. Now, this has led many companies to try and create a cleaner, more organized method of trying to clean up all those messy wires that you might use to charge all three of these devices. Primarily, this solution has come in the form of wireless charging stations. Charging stations like this one, or oh God, even this one. However, the sleekest and in my opinion most well-executed wireless charging station was this 3-in-1 MagSafe charging station made by a company called Native Union. Now, if you've never heard of Native Union, they're a company that prides themselves on making, albeit very expensive, but extremely high quality Apple accessories, like phone cases, charging cables, and look at the cute little AirPod beanies. I need one of these in my life. And along with those other accessories, they just come out with their very first 3-in-1 MagSafe charging station. Now, they do have a 2-in-1 MagSafe charging station that will charge your iPhone 12 or iPhone 13, but it will not charge your Apple Watch, and it can only be used with an iPhone 12, iPhone 13, and it will also charge your AirPods as well. However, Native Union does not make accessories for non-Apple products or people who don't use Apple products as a whole. We call those people peasants. Like other 3-in-1 wireless charging stations, there is a segment for your iPhone, a segment for your AirPods, and of course there's a segment for your Apple Watch. Now, this charging station is going to be made for iPhones that are MagSafe compatible. So if you've got an iPhone 12 or 13, you're in luck. This might be the charging station for you. However, if you don't have an iPhone 12 or newer, you're not going to be able to use the ones with MagSafe compatibility. However, Native Union does have some other wireless charging options. If you have an iPhone 11 or older, but you still have an AirPod, an Apple Watch that you want to charge, just to get rid of the clunkiness or the cumbersomeness or the messiness on your nightstand, and I'll leave the link to some of those charging stations in the comments below. Anyway, guys, let's go ahead to the unboxing. Now, Native Union does have a pretty satisfying unboxing experience. Right out of the box, you see the MagSafe charging puck, first with the box of extra components right next to it. Inside the box, you get the removable Apple Watch charging puck. Next, you get your removable US wall adapter piece, along with the charging cable. Now, the reason Native Union offers the adapter as a removable piece is because they offer this charging station along with other adapters that can be used in other countries. So if you're an individual that does a lot of jet setting, one of these options might be for you. Good on Native Union for that one. Removing the packaging from the station, you'll see the well-built black station with the Native Union logo embossed on the wireless charging pad for your headphones. And finally, on the back, you'll see the USB-C charging port for your Apple Watch charging puck and a hole for the plug for the wall adapter. Now, the MagSafe charging puck will only charge your iPhone at 7.5 watts, not the 18 and above fast charging speeds that newer iPhones are capable of. So just keep that in mind if you're looking to top off your iPhone right before you go out of the house, because it's not going to charge as quickly as you might think. The MagSafe charging puck is adjustable, which is ideal if you're looking to watch content in bed at night and don't wish to strain your neck. Your Apple Watch and AirPods will charge at 5 watts each. Again, if you have a newer Apple Watch like the Series 6 or the Series 7, which are capable of faster charging speeds, please note that your Apple Watch will not charge as quickly as it might if you're using the out-of-the-box wireless charger that the Apple Watch Series 6 or Series 7 comes with. However, if you're using an older Apple Watch like a Series 4 or Series 5, you'll be just fine. However, if you don't have an Apple Watch and you just want to use the USB-C port on the back of the Native Union 3-in-1 charging station, you can attach another accessory or another device via the USB-C charging port, and it will charge up to 15 watts. So go on Native Union for that one. When charging your iPhone and AirPods, 2 discrete LED lights will be shown, which will allow you to know that your devices are charging accurately and optimally, and turn off just as quickly when the devices are removed. The MagSafe 3-in-1 charging station is about 5 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and weighs 670 grams, or just shy of 1.5 pounds. This charging station only comes in black, which I don't really think will be much of a problem for people who want to lay this down at night and not move it as much as an ordinary charging station, and it won't get as dirty or dusty, or at least noticeably dirty or dusty, as a white option might over time. Now, my first impressions of this wireless charging station is that it's really sturdy, really well built. It is a lot smaller than I anticipated when first holding it, but that's actually pretty ideal when having it on a nightstand, so it doesn't take up too much space when next to a lot of your other things that you may have on your nightstand at night, like an alarm clock or a water bottle or something like that. So it's smaller, compact size. It's actually more of an advantage than a disadvantage, especially if you're going to be taking this on the go with you. It gives it a really subtle look, really understated subtle look, which I absolutely adore. I'll be posting a 2-week review of my use with the Native Union 3-in-1 charging station, along with a side-by-side comparison video comparing the Native Union 3-in-1 charging station and the Belkin 3-in-1 charging station, which I've been using for a couple of months. So I hope you guys are geared up for that. Anyway, guys, this has been my unboxing of the Native Union 3-in-1 MagSafe charging station. If you like and enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more tech news and tech video content. Anyway, guys, this has been Tyler the Tech Geek. I'll see you guys on the next one. Later.